ball position. 6 to shoot. Suraj. And he converts. Sadish. And Pemba. And from the downtown, from the corner, Anil Khargi. Nishal. And he pulls up from the mid-range. Sadish Pradhan. And he pulls up. And he converts that. Out to Lucky. He drives. Budia. Driving in. And he lays it in. Well, Nishal. Anil Khargi driving in. He pulls up from the short corner and he converts that. He pulls up. Let's start the rebound by Manish. Pass it to Sadish and that's and one. First quarter मैंने only 20 points पड़े सकेगा सन times ले rebound लेगा सन Manish and he converts. Thaba driving in and he spins. Shreyas driving in and hook shot there. They put back गर्ने प्रयासमा fall draw गरेका छन् विजय लामा and he converts the second one. Making the first one, Panit. A very good start here for Times today. Driving in. It's passes to Anil. He pulls up from the perimeter and he converts the three-pointer. And he pulls up from the deep. And that's nothing but net in this start of the second quarter. Good start here by Kirtipur. And the left-handed layup is good to Prasant. Driving in. He pulls up from the mid-range and he converts. So Kamal Thapa to Pemba. He's open. And he converts. So Prasant for the two shots. He converts the first one. He pulls up from the mid-range. Rebound Anil Khargi go. Spins. A one-legged fadeaway. He converts. Pemba to Sadish. He pulls up. And he converts. Suraj for the first attempt. He converts the first one. And the second, he converts. A semi-fake, drives in, kicks out to Mavindra. He pulls up from the three-point. And the team fall one matrai. So Nishal Marsden tries from the perimeter. And that's to Tinley. Sadish. And that's the answer. Again, from the deep, Nishal Marsden. And he converts. Transition by Suraj to Mavindra. Driving in. So Suraj is there. He converts that. This is the fourth one. He converts the fourth one. Again, transition by Lucky Marsden. And the reverse layup. He converts. Using the screen, Sadish pulls up from the mid-range. He hasn't missed today from the mid-range. To Soman. A good pass there. But he kicks out. Lucky Marsden. And he banks it in. Pass to Suraj. He fakes. He drives in and he lays it in. Manish. He pulls up. He's open there. And he converts that three-pointer. To the corner. Mavindra driving in. And he converts. Rambo still going to pass. Azepani. So Nishal Marsden pulling up from the perimeter. And that's again. Sadish. He's open. He tries it. And he converts. Yes. Double team, so yes, slide. Manish. And that's nothing but net. Anil for the second. And he converts the second one. A range ma shooting fall by ma. Do you want a free throw? Or a 3-point range ma. Award dine. Basketball ko niyam. So Sadish, he converts. Sadish. He converts all the three. He's hiking up here. Nishal driving in. Soman Marsden, he converts. They have the football again. A floater, a good shot there by Nishal. Still Nishal driving in. Kicks out to Anil. He pulls up from the perimeter and he converts. Mavindra to the paint. Alisayas. And he converts the mid-ranger. He fakes, he drives. To the corner, Pemba Serba, and he converts that to Marsden. Kicks out to Nishal. Backing up to Anil inside the paint. A fadeaway jump shot, and he converts, and that's the end one. This is the live ball. One shot, chance to make a 3-point play by Anil, and he makes it. So out, pass to corner, Pembaile. So yes, he's open, and he rattles it in. Driving in. Money slide there. It's out to Anil. He's open. He tries it, and he converts. So corner Madhya Manish passes to Sadish again. A very good pass there by Sadish Pradhan. Anil driving in. Anil still on leave. Spins. Kicks out to Nistal. And that's Pemba converting the first one. Pemba for the second. And he converts the boat. And that's the turnover. Nistal. He pulls a fast break 3-pointer. Nistal Morrison on the free throw line for 2 bonus shots. He converts the first one. And he converts the board out. Making the first one. So Manish for the second. He converts. Playing a very good game here in senior level. Oh my God! Think that he will attempt to shot from that deep. Mr. Mohsen. And Ravindra Bhandari. Good as well in the defensive end as well. So floater, quick floater there. Anil to Sonam. He pulls up. The offensive ball by Anil, and he converts. Nistal, he's open, he's hot-handed. Nistal Mohanson. One man down. So he's open. He fakes. He takes a jump shot, and he converts. Sadish Pradhan. Bhutia. And he converts. Sadish driving in. And he's looking for the shot. Nistal Mohanson. And a floater. He converts. Here. Feeding the ball to the post. Manish spins. Drives to the baseline, and he converts. Manish Casey. Convert for 1 second. Nistal hot-handed. He converts. Lucky Morrison. Ball laga the Soman Morrison. Inside the paint. He fakes. And he point game. Nistal inside the paint. He converts. Nistal Morrison. Anil. Losing the ball control here. Nistal again. And he converts again. He ties the game. Nistal Morrison. To Sadish. He's open. And that's the answer. So Nistal. He attempts. Oh my God.